What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be making one of my favorite corned beef and macaroni. And here are my ingredients that I will be using. And now, let's work on the macaroni. So of course, to some hot water, I added some olive oil. You can use whatever oil, some salt, and then I added the macaroni. Just follow the cooking instruction on the package of the macaroni. And so when it started boiling, I go back and I just try to stir it up to make sure that the macaroni is not sticking to the bottom of the pot. And then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to finish cooking. And now let's pour some oil into my little pot. Right, we are going to get to sauteing some onion, and this is one whole onion, and I just chopped it up. And so we're gonna saute that. And vibes fam, this is very important, like sauteing your onions and your sweet pepper and your scallion and thyme, all those things. Trust me, sauteing them brings out the flavor even more. Do not skip. Don't ever skip doing that. Okay, so we sauteed this for about 2 to 3 minutes. I added 3 cloves of chopped garlic, right? And yeah, just saute those. And I'm gonna leave those for a minute and go back and check on the macaroni. Let's take it off, give it a stir, and we're looking for al dente. We don't want it soft. Well, cook your macaroni according to how you like it, but remember, we are still going to cook it a bit after this, right? So you don't want it too soft. So let's go back to this, then add the other stuff. So listen, I was really trying to make sure that I get that the time to really get it to be infused in the oil that's in the pot. By the way, use the amount of oil that you like. I don't like a lot of oil in my pot. So after I added the thyme and had it in the pot for about 2 minutes, I added the sweet peppers, all the colors of the rainbow. And yes, saute those, give that another 3 minutes or so, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some pimento seed. I also like to add pimento powder instead of the seed sometimes, so whichever one you have, use whatever you have. And saute those, looking beautiful, just gorgeous. So yeah, vibes Sam, let's cover this for about 3 minutes, just so all the flavors can come together, and voila, look at that. So here I added some scallion or chopped up spring onion, and we're mixing that in. I added it the later part so that the colors can pop a bit still, right? And then now we're gonna go in, and of course let's add the corned beef. Yay. I love me some listen, I love me some corned beef, love it. So we're going to try to break it apart, get it all mashed out in the pot, right? So break Vibes Sam, comment down below and tell me, are you a corned beef lover? Do you love corned beef? I love corned beef. I actually have another corned beef video that I posted maybe 2 years ago, right? But yeah, and in that video I was saying that I used to eat corned beef a lot on Saturdays because I don't like soup. And I love corned beef. So corned beef and rice, corned beef and macaroni, corned beef and sweet corn, just the works. So yeah, go ahead and mix that up. Now I added some pepper seeds, some pepper flake, and of course you can't leave out the ketchup. Do not leave out the ketchup. Yes, yes, yes. Well, unless you don't like it or you're allergic to it. Do what you want to do for your food, boo. But yeah, we added some ketchup. And at this point, Vibes fam, if you wanted, this is it. You can just eat this with some rice. But no, we are going for the home run. Look at beautiful. That looks so, so good. So if you don't want to add the macaroni, you can cover this, leave it for 5 minutes, and then that's you. Beautiful. So yeah, Vibes, so I'm covering this for 5 minutes or even three. And look at it. And Vibes from the house smell good. So here is my macaroni. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This looks so good. So yeah, Vibes Sam, this is the reason why I was saying don't cook the macaroni too soft. Because of course, now you're adding it to the corned beef, right? Remember, there's still heat. We're going to be cooking this for another 5 minutes. It's going to be getting softer than how you cooked it, right? So yeah, and by the way, when you take off the macaroni off the stove, you can pour some water on it, cold water. Oh, I added some white pepper here, not black pepper, it was white pepper, but add whatever one, black, white, it really don't matter. Yeah, you can pour some water, cold water, on the macaroni to stop it from cooking, because you know sometimes if you leave it there, it will, especially don't leave it in the water. Pour off the water off the macaroni when you finish cooking and set it aside. As well as you can wash it off. 5 minutes, Vibes fam. So this is it, Vibes fam. After 5 minutes, it is all done, all done. Just beautiful, beautiful. Love, love, love. Look lush, lush, lush. Delish, delish, delish. Ooh, 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 all the good stuff. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have my delicious, delicious gourmet bowl of macaroni and, well, corned beef and macaroni, because the corned beef comes first. Yes, the corned beef is the star of the show. So yes, corned beef and macaroni, just ooh, looking so good. Look at all the colors of the sweet peppers coming through, but look at those macaroni looking so good. The body looks so right. You can tell that they work out. Yeah, a little aerobics, a little core workout. Yes, yes, yes. Work, work, work. You work that body, macaroni. Yes. Looks so good. But Vibes fam, comment down below and tell me, is this something that you actually cook? And if not, would you try this recipe? But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please, I'm begging you, run over on Instagram and follow me, please, and Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you. God richly bless you.